Hello everybody, it is supgamer slash lonlywolf here, and we are here to play some speed build. Sorry for not recording yesterday. I've been sick, slash I was really tired and lazy. And it's early still, which is 3 o'clock in the afternoon, of course, for my early time. And well, we're just going to be playing some speed build on the Mineplex server. Like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I will... Okay, perfect match of whatever this chair is supposed to be for. Yay! Okay. Okay, so let's see. Everyone did brilliant. I love that one. How did... Yeah, I was gonna say that one deserves to die. Okay, what's next? One big carrot. Okay. Oh god. I don't remember the carrot went... Oh my god, I did it! Yes! I was so unconfident that wouldn't work, but I made it. Yay. I think this one here is gonna die, because of how bad this one is. Yeah, this one's gonna die. Yeah! Okay, okay. Oreo. I could do this. Got it, okay. I was actually really annoyed this second. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, got it. Whew. Okay. Whee. Okay. Red, blue, green, yellow. Red, blue, red, green, blue, yellow. Red, blue, green. Red, blue, green, yellow. Blue. Okay. How did someone remember all those colors? How? Wow. I am so dead. I am so dead. Well, I'm dead. Now let's enjoy. See you guys later. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Lots of love. XOXO. Blah blah blah. Whatever I'm supposed to say at the end of these videos. Can't remember. Blah 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 blah. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you haven't done so. And I'll have the link for the server in the description. Blah blah blah. Can't remember what I'm supposed to say, to be honest. I'll see you guys later. Sorry for the short video, but what am I kidding? All my videos are short. I'll see you guys later. Lots of loves. XOXO. Bye.